Oh yeah, testing out the camera. We are down here at the races, and it is hot. So hot.
This up here where I'm working.
Testing out the helmet cam, practice night. See Chuck working on some new livery because our yeah, it's 103 degrees when we showed up here, and we're sticking graphics in an asphalt parking lot. But you know what? We love being at the racetrack. We love especially being at the racetrack with Davey Step. So something a little different. I'm told the pink's hard to get, so no pink on this wrap because he couldn't get it. So we're trying something different. I don't know if I like it yet, but we'll see. It's hard not to like the 7X. She's looking hot, all in carbon. Look at that. Oh yeah.
No, I'm good. I just slammed some water.
We got a little bit of a new look going today. Welcome back to TmezTv. Doing some graphics. We got a practice day going, and it's pretty cool. We are with the late models. Oh yeah, it's almost practice time. And check this thing out. Got the wrap all done. It's about done. Something a little different. Dave likes it bright so you can see it on the racetrack. Oh yeah, how do you like that? Leave a comment down below and what you think of the new look. I'm not totally sold on it yet, but it does look good. Almost time to practice. Late models are heat racing and we are next. I got the helmet camera on and it is almost go time. So there's gotta be something to lean on the way these guys are fucking hucking it in up in three. So when you roll around, just to see how firm it is. I mean, they're driving it and sucking hard on the top now. All right, welcome to my office. How do you like it? Front shocks, compression, rebound. About to push off for practice. I got the helmet cam on, so got Gavin Miller, some new kid from Australia, I think, and you are in the RMS Racing 7X. We got some new colors on it. How do you like that? Don't forget to leave a comment down below on what you think about that. was gonna let it drip back here. If it is.
No, it's just blowing it out.
Yeah, it's just... I mean, I was watching the...
It had oil pressure, right?
Yeah, it had oil
No,
pressure.
It wasn't like it was like smoking, but I could tell it was
Well,
just...
I could feel it on my gloves though. I mean, it was definitely... Huh? Is it?
It looks nasty. We just gotta sort that out.
Running through just some safety checks. The thing was pushing oil out of it. We checked the oil level. The oil level was lower than it should have been. So, just pull the valve cover, make sure we don't have any broken valve springs. Pull the plug, everything looked good there. Now we're just leaking the thing down, which is just checking the compression in each cylinder. They should all check out pretty equally. That killed the rest of our night. We cleaned up the oil mess and got ready to go for the next day. As always, thanks for watching TmezTv. Don't forget to go check out Shop Tmez for your Slide or Die merch. I'm out.